Hello everyone. One of the first algorithms that I learned was bubble sort. It's not very efficient. In fact, it's I think one of the least efficient, if not the least efficient, sorting algorithms, especially for big data sets. But it is something that every programmer should probably know. So here is an array, and right now it is not sorted. So I'm going to use a function that I've called bubble sorter to sort this array. Okay, so it's going to we're going to use bubble sort. And so the first thing you want to do is create a for loop. For, we do let's initiate it to 0. Right, since R is the parameter that we're using, we're going to eventually pass as an argument that array. Okay. Then we'll create a nested for loop. So we'll initiate it to 0. And here is this part, this conditional, is a way to optimize the algorithm. So we're going to say AR, and we're going to do -1 minus I. And that way we make sure that the algorithm doesn't try to sort the part of the array that's already been sorted, essentially. Okay, great. Now we need to create a conditional that will swap values just in case the value, say for instance, 15 is bigger than 4, so we want to swap those values. Okay, so let's do that. So if it is greater than, so if this is true, we want to do the classic swapping part of the algorithm. Now there's another way to do this, which I'll show later, but this is kind of a more traditional way of doing it, I guess. So let this go to J. And then, so now this is where the two of the values get swapped. So that means array J, that's right here, the 15s, and we'll take care of the duplicates in a second. But if you see the 15, that's the array J, so we just swap those values this way. So basically array J is now going to go to be J plus 1. And you might ask yourself, what about array J plus 1? We're going to now put that into temp, which means array J. So that switches it from the other direction. So those are swapped that way. So now the swap is complete, and we should be able to get the correct sorted array. Now what I'm going to do here is I already have this up, but here's a very simple way of getting rid of duplicates. And so there's other ways of doing it, but this is very simple. So what we'll do is we'll return that. So now by using the spread operator and creating a new array, this actually gets rid of all the duplicates. All right, let's see if we are successful. Looks like we are. Awesome. Now, there is another way to do the swapping here, and I actually like it better. It just seems cleaner. And it was with the advent of ECMAScript, I guess ECMAScript 6 or JavaScript 2015, I think it was, you are able to, this is a legal operation that you can do. So you can also swap this way. So you can say, hey, I got array J, and I have But now I want to switch those up. I want to swap them, in other words. Okay. So we're going to assign them this way. That'll be that. Okay. So yeah, simply what I did here is just swap the values, as you can see, this way, and then it's a little cleaner than the previous way of doing it, and the result is the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a bubble sort, and I'm going to do another video. I guess the next video will be on taking this array and doing a binary search. So that'll be the sequel to this video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.